You say you're fine, but I can see right through. You're holding your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on. With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on, no.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Either way, I am so excited you are here. I want to start off by wishing everyone the best for 2024, for this new year. I hope it will be a good one. And I also hope to continue to give you tons of cleaning motivation with my videos. As you can tell, I took a 3-week break from YouTube. I'll tell you more about that later on in this video. And I am going to change some things on this channel, but I'll tell you more about that later as well.
We're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. I'll go through fire, I'll climb the mountains for you. Tell me, 'cause I'm looking out for you. This can't keep going on, no. 'Cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions.
My dad painted our entryway and our downstairs toilet, as you can see a little bit already in this clip. And I started off by dusting the stairs. I always do that first when I'm going to clean the floors downstairs. So now I am vacuuming everything before I starting to mop.
We're gonna find them. La 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 la. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. 'Cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. Trying to get to you when you're on the low. Trying to get to you when it's on the line. Had enough, had enough, had enough. Trying to tell you that it's time to give it up. Trying to tell you that you're never gonna shine. It's enough, it's enough, it's enough. But when you're going down, falling to your knees, it's time to believe. Rise up, rise up, rise up.
I'll tell you a little bit about why I took a break. These videos take a very long time to make. The cleaning in itself takes much longer because you have to work with your camera and reposition the camera in different angles with every single thing you are going to clean. And then there is all the editing, the voiceovers, making the thumbnail, translating the videos, and all that stuff. So a lot of time goes into making just one video, and I really like to do all those things, but it was just getting a lot to upload one video every single week on the same day.
No matter how it hurts, you're gonna let it bleed. No matter how you feel. When you've had enough, when the crowd gets rough, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. When your cloud goes dark, when you lose your heart, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. Cause we all walk to the same beat, and from town to town feel like giving in. Had enough, had enough, had enough. No matter how it hurts, you're gonna let it bleed. No matter how you feel. When you've had enough, when the crowd gets rough, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. When your cloud goes dark, when you lose your heart, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. When you're looking for a place to heal it, searching for a...
I've had this damp duster for some months now, and I really implemented it into my cleaning routine, because when I'm cleaning the bathroom now, I first dust everything off with this thing, and I love it. It's so convenient. I really recommend it. I'll try to put a link to it in the description box of this video.
Just stand up, stand up, stand up. We're all gonna take a beating, and I said it was gonna be easy. So rise up, rise up, rise up. When you've had enough, when the crowd gets rough, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. When your cloud goes dark, when you lose your heart, gotta stand up straight, gonna rise like a champion. I dance like no one's gonna see, and I love like nobody can hurt me. You might think I'm a little strange, but I'm not gonna change. Oh no, sometimes I'm talking way too much, and sometimes I don't know how to turn off.
Regarding to why I took a break, I decided to make some changes to my channel for this year. So from now on, I will switch my videos up with some shorts. So one week there will be a video, and the other week there will be a short. And I am not going to upload on the same day every single week. It will depend on when the video is ready, because you may not know this yet about me, but I work in shifts and also weekends. Every month I got a different working schedule, so it was so hard to upload on the same day every single week. It is best that you tap the bell icon and turn on all the notifications. That way you won't miss any uploads from me.
You might think I'm a little strange, but I'm not gonna change. For you, for you, for you, I'm not gonna change. For you, for you, for you, I'm not gonna change. For you. I sing like no one's gonna hear.
I am so happy with how the entryway and our downstairs toilet turned out. The toilet isn't 100% finished in this video, but it is right now. You will see that in future videos. And I really love the jungle theme. We also have a jungle painting in our living room, so I wanted to extend that theme into the entryway and the downstairs toilet. My dad did a really great job, so if you're watching, thanks Dad! Thank you so much for watching and all your love and support for my channel this past year. See you next week in a short. Bye!
You gotta give a little, just to get a little. Gotta give a little, just to... There's so